ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवुन् ऋलक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञमङणनम् झभञ् घटधश् जबगडदश् खफ छठथ छटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदन्तोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
भो राम मामुद्धर
भो राम मामुद्धर
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामं रामो रामान्
रामं रामो रामान्
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
हे राम हे रामो हे रामाः
हे राम हे रामाः
This Rama Shabda, in fact, it is the most difficult Shabda to derive in terms of Sutra. Okay. But it's easy. In fact, for memorization, it is easy Shabda. But to derive this Sutra, by applying, to derive this Shabda by applying Sutra, it's very difficult. Lot of sutras are involved for this Shabda. That is why, he has to memorize this Shabda. For just the word, like say for example, Rama, from Rama you get Ramaha, right? Rama iti, kim tat? Rama iti?
नामपदम्
Rama iti pratipadikam.
प्रातिपदिकम्
Right? Ramaha?
नामशब्द.
So, from Rama to Ramaha, how many sutras you think will be there? Just say some number. Right? Just Rama, one Visarga only, right? How many sutras will be there? Just guess. Some guess, very raw guess, okay?
3 to 4.
3 to 4, right? Seems to be like that. 3 to 4. Similarly, Bhavati, Dhatu, Kriyapadam Bhavati, Bhavati. Bhavati also. How many sutras will be there? Because that is also first thing, first Kriya Padam we'll be learning. You know, how many are there? For Rama to Ramaha, there are about more than 25 sutras. Okay. 25 sutras are involved. Just from Rama to Ramaha. All these are for, I'm not going to teach you now. No, don't worry. It's we teach that nobody will be there. It's not easy, that much easy. But just for curiosity's sake, only I'm just telling, and I will show you just for example, Rama to Ramu. I taught them all these things in Gurukulam. I taught this. What then online also I have taught. In fact, I completed the online, the entire Subanta Prakriya by Sutra. Entire, all Subanta, the whole Subanta. I taught, but I don't know whether the students they know it or not. But I taught. Okay, I have done entire Subanta Prakriya. Just for example, I'm showing you from Rama to Ramu. This is one. Rama become Ramu. Ramaha, Rama the Pratipadikam, Rama, and it becomes Ramaha Ramu. That is Dvivachan. Okay. You see the just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 29 are there. I hope I have not missed anything. If I have missed, maybe another 5 more. Okay. So
And we have to follow the same sequence, sir.
Some sutras are parallelly applicable. Some will come. It's not the sequence. Certain places sequences there. Certain places just to be applied. Yeah. Some you will see. Of course, some sequence will be there. Of course, you have to. First, Pratipadikam, there is a rule. Sanya definition. Another definition also will be the same Pratipadikam, get some other name also. That Sanya also you have to give that Shadda. Yeah. Okay, so this is Ramu. Of course, for all Shabdas, we have such rules. Minimum 10, 15 will be there. But all will not be told every time because set of rules are common. Set of sutras are common. That we will not tell. That is because it is common. Some special rules will be there for particular Shabda. And for Rama Shabda, that those rules, all are, exceptions. That is, whatever the general rules are there, that will not be applied here. Completely different. That's why Rama Shabda, not only this, everyone, every Shabda, of course, some uniqueness is there. That is why we memorize first. Memorize and then we will know how these are derived. And that is, of course, later when we study Sutra. Okay, just saying. Similarly, the Kriya Padam also, Bhavati, simple, easy to memorize. Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. But Bhavati, the Kriya Padam, that also has got many sutras involved to derive it, the form. For example, I tell you, you can see how many sutras are involved deriving the Kriya Padam. 35. Most of sutras are general, but specific are there. Of course, that only we need to, apply and remember and apply. Others are general. But all sutras are like, my volume. I think you need to increase your volume. My volume is fine, no? All of you, can you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, must be my computer.
My volume is one. I can improve, but I can increase. But your volume, I think, need to. Okay, now is it fine? My volume.
It's clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. The last class. Okay, last class. Why I'm saying this? That's the reason. Last class I taught you Natvam, right? Natvam. And immediately after Natvam, okay, I get message. Asking question. Nothing wrong. Okay, but some curiosity, some question. Krishnamaji, you send me that message that this is given in the Suvarna Jyoti in the Veda.
Correct, sir.
Veda is given, and that first thing is Veda is the authority. We cannot question the Veda, number one. We cannot correct the Veda. If the publisher has made mistake, that is different thing.
That's my doubt.
If the publisher, if he had done mistake, then we can correct it. But Mantra Pushpam, I don't think mistakes are the most. I mean, only some few mistakes, one or two. Otherwise, the Mantra Pushpam is a standard book we use, right?
Because we referred to RKM books, but in both the books, it is different. So that's why I just thought of seeking.
What is given Suvarna, Murdanya, or Dantya?
Yeah, in one book, anyways, in Mantra Pushpam, it is Dantya and Nakaram, and in another one, it is Murdhanya Nakaram.
Oh, which book? Same.
It's a Kannada version. Yeah.
But Suvarna Jyotihi Nakara only, it is there in many of the books, as I know. In Sanskritam, I'm talking about, not in Kannada.
Okay.
Sanskritam book and all the books, as far as in Giri Traders, Giri publication, and even in the internet also, you can see Dantya Nakara only there. So it is Dantya Nakara. Okay. The point is, number one, it's very clear. That is the language and the grammar, is based on the Vedas, not the other way. We cannot apply the grammar which is derived from the Veda on the Veda and correct the Veda. Ruled out. Number one. It's okay. I'm not saying that question is wrong. You just ask a genuine question because we question Veda, but Veda is the authority. That must be clear, number one. Second thing is, the Natvam, I taught you the rule, right? We cannot, it's not entire Natvam. It's not the Natvam topic is over. Then it's not like that. The Sutra Bada, if you take, there are about, as I know, 36 rules are there, sutras are there for Natvam alone. How many? 36. Out of that, how many we have seen? Only one only. And the one also I combined, in the one I combined two, in fact, three. Three sutras I combined, I present it as one rule for you. We cannot go by sutra, not possible now. But 36 sutras are there, almost 36 as I know. And among them, three I combined and put it as a one. I taught you as a one rule. Okay. But there are so many are there. So in Gita also, some places you will find Dantya Nakara. Does it mean it is wrong? No. That is not. And the important condition is, I told it within a padam, number one, not between the two padams, like in a compound. But sometimes in the compound also it is applicable. So you cannot, that's why I say, you cannot know it completely in the beginning itself. It is something like, now Swamiji tells about Vedanta, same like Vedanta. If you want to know the whole, you have to know the parts. But the parts cannot be known without knowing the whole. So it's a catch-22 situation. Knowing the parts requires knowing the whole. For knowing the whole, you need to know the parts. That is why teaching, that is why teacher. Otherwise, why tradition, why should we have we can just ourselves take up any Vedanta book and read, right? Shastrajyopi Brahman Veshanam Swatantriyana na kuryat. Shankaracharya very clearly says in the Vashyam. Even if the person is a Shastrajna, very well versed in Shastra, one should not inquire into the study of the Shastra by oneself. Otherwise, what will happen? You will come up with a new philosophy. Maybe you will end up with Charvaka, materialist philosophy, because the Shastras are contradictory. If one place Shastram says, Manasa eva anudrashtavyam, Brahma, only through mind can be known. In other place it says, Yat vachana abhyutam, yena vak abhyujate. Yato vacho nivartante. In other place it says, we cannot know through mind. So now what will take both sentences are contradictory. So it means, shall we dismiss the Shruti, entire Shruti? No. Shruti being a Pramanam, as we give as Shraddha and we give the benefit of doubt to the Shruti, Therefore, we say, I don't understand. That's why Guru required. Guru will come and reconcile it. The two seemingly contradictory statements, they are not contradictory. It has to be reconciled, right? As we do in the Shastram, even if a person is Shastrajna, Shankaracharya says one should not incur the Shastra by oneself because you will end up with the wrong philosophy, whatever it is, right? Similarly, here in Sanskritam also, it is not the entire thing. It is not the whole. It's a part of the whole. Part by part, slowly, without creating any confusion, we will do it. Later, you will see how the vision. Okay. The screen will be removed slowly. Like in the cinema theater, you will see, the screen slowly, they will remove, the screen will come. Similarly, slowly. Suddenly, screen will not be removed. So, okay, it's not possible also. You understand? So, Nattam Vadidad is only one aspect only. There are so many things out there. Context will come. That time we will see. Right? That is Nattam. Similarly, Shattam also like that. The next one which you asked in the last class. It's good. You asked me that question. Nobody asked. This is the same case for the Shakara. He asked this question. I don't know how many of you remember this. Here, Rameshu is there, right? What Shakara?
Murdhanya Shakara.
Murdhanya Shakara. Now, in the Pratyaya, if you see, okay, Murdhanya Shakara, some places you will see Sakara, like in some other Shabda. You have studied some other Shabda. There you will see Sakara will be the Su. Not here, someplace. Because the Pratyaya itself is Sup, right? I just, show the Pratyayas. These are the Pratyayas. This also we chanted, just for chanting only, not for knowing what they are. That is not our scope now. We can memorize this now, so that it will be useful later. If not now, later. Okay, let us chant this. And before chanting, what is the Saptami Bhagavachana Pratyaya? Sup. Here Pakara is there. That is Ith letter. Okay. Just to know, it is Ith letter. So what is the content of the Saptami Bhagavachana Pratyaya 7-3? Su. So Rame Su should be right. Rama plus Pratyaya Su. So it must be Ramasu. Ramasu or Ramesu. How Rama become Rame? It is some other rule. Out of our scope now. Don't ask why, how it is. Something. At least Su is there, right? Su should be there, but we have Shu, Murdhanya Shakara. Or if you take some other Shabda, okay. Rama Shabda is a little problem. Why Rameshu, you will ask. That is how it is. Because there are so many rules are there. Because of that, A become some rule. Now, but Su, how Su has become Shu? In some Shabdas it is Su, in some Shabda it is Shu. So what is the reason? That I can tell you why it is. I sent you my Shabda Rupani, my Shabda. Please see this document I sent you long back. This document, you follow the sequence of this Shabda, the Shabdas in the order what I have given here, because it has some connection. It's easy for memorization. Okay. This Rava Shabda, Rameshu. Now, just down the line, if you see, here also Paleshu. Yeshu. Yeah, let us take this one. What is here Saptami? This is Strilinga Shabda, Rama Shabda. Here what we have? Strilinga Shabda, Rama Shabda. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, the Rama Shabdaha. The Shabda, the Pratipadikam, Rama, ending with what letter?
Su.
Akaranta. Ma, we should not say Ma, we should say A. That we know it very well, right? Akarantaha it is. Akarantaha, Linga is Strilingaha, Rama Shabdaha. Now, Saptami, Bhagavachan. What is a Pratyaya? I mean, what is the form? Pratyaya is Su only. Rama Su. Here it is Su. Whereas in Rama Shabda, it is Shu. See the distinction? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
In Rama Shabda, it is Shu. Rameshu, 7-3. In Srilinga Shabda, Rama Shabda, it is Ramasu. So when it is Shu, when it is Su, how do I know it? Yes. That role is, I can tell you, teach you. Now, you see that, we will see that rule today. Last class I told you, we'll do it today. So we'll see. Before that, you know, the Saptami Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Saptami Bhagavachanam, how do we denote? By the number sign?
7.
7-3.
7-3. So 7 numerator stands for
Saptami.
Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti. And denominator stands for
Vachanam.
Vachana.
what Vachanam?
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachanam.
The Bhagavachanam, therefore 3. Do we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? All are covered in 3 only. Okay, Bhagavachanam. All are Bhagavachanam only, right?
Yes.
Bhagavachanam, 7-3. Content of this soup is, Sakara is with the letter. So content is
So,
Su only. Is equal to Su. Right? So,
A
please see.
A-
Now,
and Oho.
now,
Oh.
now see this Sakara. This Sakara plus U, right? Sakara plus U. I'm just writing Su is equal to Sakara plus Su. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is Sup? What is Sup? You say something about Sup. What is Sup?
Pratyahara.
All
Now, Sup is not Pratyahara. Okay, number 1. Is it a Pratyahara?
Sorry.
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya. That's it.
Pratyaya.
Sup is Pratyahara. Of course, yes. But that Sup covers all the Pratyahara. Suva, Uja, Sama, Uchat, all the Pratyas, right? All the Pratyas it covers. That is different. I'm not asking that Sup. We are talking about Saptami, Bhagavachana, Pratyaya, which is particularly Sup, right? See, Sup, the Pratyahara is different. Sup, as a Pratyahara, covers all the Pratyas. Sup Pratyahara covers all the Pratyas. That is 21 Pratyas, right? Don't confuse with 7-3 Sup. That Sup is a Pratyahara. This Sup is a,
E house.
what is this Sup? It's a
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya. It's a Pratyaya, right?
Oh.
It's a Pratyaya. Sup as a Pratyahara covers Su, just Ammots like that, ending with Sup. That is different. Sup Pratyahara. This Sup is what we are talking about now. 7-3 is Pratyaya. Yes or no? Understand? Yes? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
Too much you can let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's all not taught in the beginning class. In the beginning level. Infant level. But anyway, we follow it, I hope. So, now what is this Sakara? Sakara plus U, that is Su. Su is a Pratyaya. Therefore, can I call this as a Pratyaya Sakara?
Yes.
Pratyaya Sakara. That is Sakara, which is a part of the Pratyaya. Right? It's a limb. It's a part of the Pratyaya, Anga of the Pratyaya. So I can refer to this as Pratyaya Sakara. Nothing wrong. Right? Suppose you belong to a particular family. You are Rao family. We ask, no? You are Reddy family. Similarly, Sakara is what family? Pratyaya. Sup is a Sup is a Su is a Pratyaya. Therefore, Pratyaya Sakara. You can refer to Sakara as what Sakara? Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara. Pratyaya Sakaraha. Right? We can refer to the Sakara of not only this Pratyaya, any Pratyaya you take. If Sakara is there, that is Pratyaya Sakara. Okay. You understand? So please note the Pratyaya Sakara, that the Sakara should be a part of the Pratyaya. A Sakara alone could be the pratyaya, possible, right? In fact, here we have, later we will be seeing in Sandhi. Yes, sakara is there in just, shas, bris, byas, byas, os, nes, nasi, and even in one also we have sakara. All are what sakara? What sakara?
Pratyaya sakara.
Pratyaya sakara. You understand pratyaya sakara? So now that pratyaya sakara is important. Sakara, the pratyaya sakara. Now the condition is pratyaya sakara. I'm just writing sakara. You understand pratyaya sakara? Whatever may be. Now for us it is su. Pakara is eighth letter. That's for I'm removing. It is su. Don't confuse this su with 1-1. This is we are talking about 7-3. Right? In 1-1 also we have su. Su aujas. Right? 1-1 also we have su. That su we are not talking about. We are talking about 7-3. Where pakara is eighth letter, su is the that's su we are talking about. Now, this su pratyaya preceded by, I'm giving the condition, preceded by in. What is in? Now in is a pratyahara. What is in? You have to tell me. What are the, don't say e uru.
Vowel,
No, not like
semi
that.
vowel, conjunct vowel, and simple vowel.
In
Minus
covers all the
a.
vowels except yes, minus a. All the vowels except akara. I can write h minus a, right? And what else? Akara is the sibilant plus all the
Semi vowel.
semi vowels, right? Semi vowels itself can be represented by a pratyahara. What is that?
Hal.
Anyone? Sorry?
Hal.
No. Only semi vowels.
Okay.
That's why
N.
I gave in the beginning itself. I gave a homework. You do.
N.
Yeah, very good. That's what I expect. That's practicing the pratyahara. N represents all the semi vowels. Yes or no? I have read len.
Yes.
So h minus a among the it covers all the vowels except akara and the sibilant hakara. Then it covers all the semi vowels. Right? This is easy way to say. You don't have to tell e, u, all those things. H minus a plus akara plus n, all the semi vowels. Right? Now, preceded by in, that's or preceded by ku. Ku is
Kavarga.
kavarga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, gna. So any of the 5. Then this sakara, which is another condition is there. Pratyaya sakara fine, but this sakara also should not be at the end of a padam. Like natvam bisa. Nakara should not be at the end of the padam. Like why dvitiya vibhakti rama shabda bhagavachanam we have raman. Right? That natvam did not happen. Similarly here also sakara should not be at the end of a padam. It means what? What type of sakara is that? Sakara should not be at the end of a padam. It means what? Yes. Padam, na padam, apadam, at the end of the apadam, apadhanta sakara. Is it clear? Anta is what? End. Padam is a word. Apadam means not. Therefore, sakara at the end of, not at the end of the padam. The word is a padam, but sakara is not at the end. That's the meaning. Apadanta sakara. Can I use this term? Do you follow, all of you? Sakara not at the end of the padam. As we saw, nakara not at the end of the padam. When preceded by repa, shakara or rikara will undergo nattam, right? Nakara. Similarly here also, apadanta sakara, and that there is one condition, and that sakara also should be a either a pratyaya or a part of the pratyaya. It should be pratyaya sakara also. Number 2. It should be a pratyaya sakara. That sakara, when preceded by in or ku, will undergo shatvam. Sakara will be replaced by. Here, if sakara is there, that will be replaced by murdanya sakara. That is called shatvam. That is what has happened in Rameshu. Again, I repeat, I write the condition. The right, I think probably you'll understand. Apadanta sakara. Apadanta pratyaya sakara. I write putting everything into one. Or okay, I think it will be difficult. I will write in English. Sanskritam I will write later. Sakara, which is either a part of the pratyaya. You follow? Either a part of the pratyaya or a pratyaya itself. Or sakara could be a pratyaya itself. Right? Either a part or it could be a pratyaya itself. Not at the end of the padam. When preceded by in or who, then what will happen? Then this sakara will undergo or will be replaced by, I will use the word replaced by, that is better. Will be replaced by sakara. Sakara will be replaced by sakara. You understand? Can one of you read? Please read.
Swamiji, to sutras, do we have to learn sutras along with the
Not required.
subject?
Not required. No. So we are not, we are start beginning class, okay?
So this
Not
is
even
sutra. Is this not a sutra, Swamiji?
What the sutra says, I have written in English, yes.
Okay.
Who's asking this question? Yes,
This is Usha from Hyderabad.
yes, okay. What the sutra, I'm not giving the sutra, I'm writing the meaning of the, in fact, what the sutra says.
Okay.
Can one of you read? Please read.
Sakara, which is either a part of the pratyaya or a pratyaya itself, not at the end of a padam, when preceded by in or ku, then sakara will be replaced by shakara.
Please know all the conditions. If any of the conditions is not fulfilled, then this will not happen. Right? The same thing I was about to write in Sanskritam. I mean, apadanta pratyaya sakara, when preceded by in or ku, right, will undergo shatvam. Shatvam is the process of conversion of sakara into murdanya sakara. Will undergo shatvam. So here apadanta pratyaya sakara, if this term is difficult to understand, don't worry, I've given in English. Sakara, which is either a pratyaya or a part of the pratyaya, not at the end of the padam. I'm putting everything in one. In sutra still will be shortened. Okay. Do you follow? All of you. Yes or no? Anybody finding difficulty, please ask. So this, once you know this, then same thing you can apply all over. The same thing, nakara also. The nakara I have not written in English like this. Same thing. Okay, you can help me. In the last class we saw Natvam. Natvam, what did we do? Can one of you tell me what is the rule? I will write here.
The Danta Nakara should not be at the end of the Padam,
Hmm.
and it should be immediately preceded by Repa.
Please say slowly. Say again. Nakara, not at the end of the padam, right?
Danta Nakara.
Yeah.
Not at the end of the Padam.
Hmm.
It should be immediately preceded by.
Yes, that word is important. Immediately. When preceded here also, immediately preceded by
Repa
Hmm.
or Murdanya Shakara
Hmm.
or Murdanya Rikara.
Rikara stands for both short and long. Okay. Then
it is replaced by the Danta Nakara will be replaced by Mudanya Nakara.
replaced by Nakara.
Mudanya Nakara.
No. It will be replaced. And even when intervened by, that also we saw. When preceded by Repa Shakara, now we can write that rule we can write it separately also. This Natvam will happen even when intervened by. I said immediately, but even when intervened by,
Permissible.
what are they? At. Then
Ku.
Ku.
Ku. Du.
Ku.
Num.
Num.
Ang.
Any one or more of this. If you have not understood Natvam, you can understand Natvam. All the conditions are important. Similarly, Shattam. This Shattam. Is it clear? You follow? Now you take Rama Shabda. Sukumarji, follow? Understand? Yes. Now, Rama Shabda is now Rame plus Saptami Bhagavachana Pratyaya Sup. Sakara is what? Italator. So drop it. The italators have to be dropped. Now, this what Sakara is this?
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya
Is
Sakara.
it at the end of the Padam?
Yeah, because
No.
No.
is a ith letter.
That's okay. Sakara is it at the end of
No.
now?
Padam.
After adding the Pratyaya to the Shabda, Rama plus, so the whole thing is okay. Now I'll let me join. Rame plus Su. Okay.
Ramasu.
Now we have Ramesu. Now the whole thing is what? What is this whole thing? Padam, right? Now where is Sakara? Is it at the end of the Padam?
No.
No. Therefore, Apadanta Sakara, number one. And Sakara it's a Pratyaya Sakara. So Sakara, the Pratyaya Sakara, not at the end of the Padam, preceded by what letter?
A.
Makara.
Immediately preceded by A. Is it not a part? Is it not the content of in Pratyahara? Yes or no? Krishna Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, therefore Shattam. Therefore Sakara will become
Shakara. Mudanya Shakara.
Mudanya Shakara. You follow?
Yes.
That's why Rameshu. Whereas Rama plus Sup, Srilinga Shabda I'm taking, we will learn that. If you know it, very good. Otherwise, also no problem, we will learn. Rama Akaranta. Rama plus Su. Pakara is italator. Now we have Rama Su. Now, what Sakara is this? The same question. What Sakara? Number one?
Apadanta Sakara.
Also, it is a
Pratyaya.
Sakara, which is a Pratyaya Sakara, not at the end of the Padam, Apadanta Sakara, immediately preceded by what letter?
Akara.
Akara. Which is not part of the.
Yes,
So that's
which
why
is
that
not which is not part of the in, neither it is to. Therefore, Sakara will not undergo Shattam. Simple.
Yeah, clear.
Right? The bride says, you are not earning more than 2 lakhs rupees, therefore I will not marry you. Simple. No marriage, no Shattam. Shattam will happen only when the bride says, bridegroom, and he earns more than 2 lakhs. Nowadays, they expect more also. Difficult. Huh? That's why bridegrooms don't get brides. Ramasu. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please respond, and only I know. I'm asking questions. You have to respond. Yes, no. Don't go with the doubts. Okay. Those must be cleared. Because all these are rules. Now I'll give another one. You have to tell me. Marut plus Sup. You have Marut Sup. Tell me here, will it happen, Shattam, or not?
No.
No. Why?
Because
Sakara, Pratyaya Sakara. Apadanta Sakara, conditions are fulfilled.
End of the.
It's not at
The
the end of the
preceding
padam.
Takara,
is not
takara is that
in.
which is not part of in or the.
Preceding letter is Takara, which is not part of the yin or ku. Therefore, Shattam will not happen. Marutsu only.
So,
You understand? Similarly, karma plus su. We have karma su. Here, will it happen? Yes or no?
No.
Why? Sakara, Pratyaya Sakara, Apadanta Pratyaya Sakara,
Akara is exempt in.
preceded by Akara, which is not not a part of the in, it's not a permitted letter. When preceded, not permitted, sorry, not permitted. When preceded by in or ku only, Shattam will happen. Preceded by Akara, therefore Shattam will not happen. Understand? Is it clear? Now, take Ari Shabda, Ari plus Su, which is
Harishu.
Arisu. Here,
Immediately preceded by Ikara. It is
Ikara. Therefore,
Harishu.
Harishu.
Sakara, which is a Pratyaya Sakara, Apadanta Sakara, Apadanta Pratyaya Sakara. Let us, you understand, right? Apadanta Pratyaya Sakara, if I say. You follow? Or difficult to follow? Apadanta Pratyaya Sakara, immediately preceded by E, which is the part of, which is the content of in Pratyahara. Therefore, Shattam will happen. Right? What about Guru? Guru plus Su. Guru Su.
Gurushu.
Gurushu.
Guru Su only.
Here also preceded by U. Other conditions all are fulfilled, therefore Guru Shu. You understand? Guru Shu. That's the reason. This is called Shatvam. Because Sakara is replaced by Murdani Shakara, we name the rule by the replacement. Shatvam, Shakara replaces, right? Therefore, we call it as Shatvam. You understand? Similarly, Natvam. Murdani Nakara replaces Nakara. Therefore, Dantva. It's called Natvam. Natvam, Shatvam, iti. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, this rule is it's not complete. There are, but regarding Shattam, there are more than 20-25 sutras, rules are there. One more thing is that I'm not telling it now, because if I tell, then questions will come and examples record. Let's leave it out. This is enough for our Shabda. Because when we memorize Shabda, when we learn Shabda, these things will come immediately, therefore this. But here also there's some certain things is there, which we'll see later. Okay, now we'll get into the So we have been saying there are three linga, right? Lingani, Trini Lingani. So Pullingaha, Srilingaha, Napumsakalinga iti, Trilingani. So three lingas are there in the language. So I think all of you must be familiar with these words, Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. We will not use masculine, feminine. Okay, we'll use the Sanskrita name itself. And we know that we cannot determine the gender of the word by the meaning. Yes? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Because the word has its gender. The word has, every word has gender. Okay. Except those words which are not declinable, like these indeclinables, avayam, cha, api, and all. It doesn't have any gender. That we will see. Okay. So therefore, a word can be any gender. I think we have seen this. The gender of a word need not confirm with the meaning of the word. They saw the example, Vriksha, Dharaha, Patashala. Patashala is Strilinga Shabda. In general, all the long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. Okay. Most of the Shabdas, okay, long vowel ending Shabdas are Strilinga. Similarly, short vowel ending Shabdas are Pullinga, but not all. We have Strilinga also. There are words which end with short vowels. We'll be seeing that. Okay. Then And we have three vachanam. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Vachanam itself is Napumsakalinga word. Vachanam, word. Even numbers also we have vachanam. Eka, Dvi, all the vachanam, in fact, numbers can be declined. We will see that. Numbers, numerals. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. When do you use Ekavachanam?
Single.
Ekatva Vakshaya. When you refer to only one thing, then Ekavachanam. When you refer to two things, then Dvivachanam. Bhagutve, when there are many, Bhagutva Vakshaya, Bhagavachanam. This also is simple, no? Anybody who can understand this meaning. Ekavachanam, one, singular, dual. All these are Sanya. All these are Sanya. What I mean by Sanya is the technical term Sanya.
Name.
Names. Sanya. Samyak Nyayate Anena Yiti Sanya. Sanya means what? Name. I have got a name, right? You have got a name. So that is the name. Similarly, here also, the name is there. So with the name you address a thing, or something is like Pratyaya is a name. Pratyaya is a name given. Pratipadikam is a name. You understand? All these are Sanya. Samyak Nyayate Anena Yiti. We give a name and refer to it. Similarly, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam also Sanya only. See, Pratipadikam, have you heard the Pratipadikam Sanya before?
Yes.
Have you heard Pratipadikam? It's a technical Sanya. Technical word. Those who have studied Sutram or just got familiarity, some familiarity, they know this is a Sanya. Because it is defined by Panini Maharishi, right? Pratipadikam. Otherwise, we know instead of Pratipadikam, we know know it by the word Shabda. Rama Shabda, Guru Shabda, Shabda. So Pratipadikam is a Sanya. Pratyaya is a Sanya. Yeah.
Is it like a label?
Yeah, label. Of course. You label it. Yeah, we also have a label. Arvind is a label. Sharan is a label only. Right? It's all label.
So
But that is, the label has got some, you might see, I have a label distinct from your label, right? Upadhi is different. Features are different. Some clear distinction is there. So that's why Sanya. We can identify by name. Similarly, we have a lot of Sanyas. You remember Rasvaha is a Sanya, though not used by Panini Maharishi. Sanya, Vyanjanani, Sanya, Sanyukta Vyanjanani, Sanya, all these are Rasvaha, Sanya, Dirgaha, Sanya, Prutaha, Sanya, all these are Sanya. Understand? Names. In the beginning itself, when I told you these are the Sanyas you should be familiar with because I can communicate with those Sanya. Right? Both have to be familiar. Then only I can talk in that language. Right? So Sanyas are defined first. After knowing the Sanyas, in fact, only we will get into this Sutra. Those who are studying Sutra, for them I'm saying. Okay. So here what I'm saying is, these are all as Sanya. Defined by Panini Maharishi. What is Ekavachanam? What is Dvivachanam? What is Bhagavachanam? One sutra he has written for this. Okay. So that's what I said. When referring to only one thing, he has given sutra, only one thing. Then Ekavachanam. Vivekayod Dvivachana Ekavachana, one sutram is there. Bhagushu Bhagavachanam, one sutram is there. When referring to a group of things, then we have to use plural Bhagavachanam. All these are Sanya. Okay. This is simple. These are simple Sanyas we know. Fine.
Sharanji, I have a question.
Yeah.
So when you're saying that the Sanya is even for names like Arvind and all that, is there a different word to denote a proper noun? Like in English, you'll say proper noun and noun. So is there some kind of distinction like that, or all labels would just come under Sanya?
No, Sanya, the proper nouns are, we have Namapadam, right? Namapadam. Sanya we use, even Namapadam also Sanya only. Namapadam is also, this not I'm talking about in terms of Padam. Just a name. Sanya means name or a title. Okay, name or a title.
No,
The
it does not
name,
mean any word.
ah.
It does not mean all words. It just
Sorry?
means a title or a label. Not title,
can-
it's a label. Label.
Yeah, it's a label. Yes, it's a label. Title, what is title label? The same, no? The title means it is addressed. Something is addressed with that title, that label. Okay. So now Pratipadikam, you know what Pratipadikam is? We saw it before. Pratipadikam is a name. As a sanya. So I use the name sanya. So you have to be familiar. Pratipadikam is a sanya used to refer to Shabda. Used to refer to Shabda by Panini Maharishi in the Sutra Pata. So we use Pratipadikam. We will not use the word Shabda, Pratipadikam. Though we say Akara Antah Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha, but we know it is Rama is Pratipadikam. Okay. Because Shabda can mean a word, Shabda can mean a sound, etc. The technical name being Pratipadikam. Therefore, we replace the word Shabda with Pratipadikam. Nothing wrong to call by Shabda also. If you understand, it's very good, no problem. Then Pratyaya. Pratyaya also we saw. Supratyayas, Supratyayanta are called Supratyayanta.
Nama Shabda.
Very good. Nama?
Subanta.
Nama Shabda. Nama
Nama Padam.
Nama
Padam. Sorry.
Padam.
Padam.
Not Nama Shabda. It is no more a Shabda. It has become a Padam because Pratyayas are added. Once you add the Pratyaya, the Shabda is refined. It becomes a usable word. Therefore, Padam. So, therefore, Supratyayanta. Shortly we say Subanta. Simple. Supratyayanta is Subanta. Subanta. Subantam Padam. Right? Understand? You follow?
So
Similarly,
technically, a shabda is not a refined word, right?
no.
Okay, so only padam is a refined one.
Padam is a refined one. Yes.
So can you say Shabda plus Supratyayaha
Of course.
equals Padam?
Yes. That's what in the very beginning I've been saying. You remember this document which in the scribblings you will see in the beginning itself. Prakriti plus Pratyaya is equal to Padam. Then Shabda plus Pratyaya is equal to Padam. What Padam? Shabda is Pratipadikam is a noun based, therefore Nama Padam you get.
Namapadam.
Right? So Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya is equal to Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. Supratyayas, how many are there?
21.
21.
21.
Therefore, the resultant is Padam. What Padam? Nama Padam. Right? If the Prakriti is a Dhatu, the formula is Prakriti plus Pratyaya is equal to Padam. And Pratyaya comes after the Prakriti. If the Prakriti is Pratipadikam, then it will take only Supratyaya, not Ting Pratyaya. Please note, then it will get Nama Padam. If the Prakriti is Dhatu, then
Kriya
Ting
padam.
Ling
Pratyaya. Yes. Ting Pratyaha.
And you
Ting
get
Pratyayas are 18 in number. We have seen that also. 18. We get Kriya Padam. The Kriya Padam alone, Nama Padam alone, Kriya Padam, Nama Padam. Because it ends with Supratyaya, I can call Supratyayanta or simply Subantam. Sumalittingantam. You follow?
Sir.
What happened?
What is
Tingantam.
it pratyaya then?
Sorry?
What is it pratyaya?
Where is it Pratyaya?
It is not here, but in general, what is it pratyaya?
There is no it Pratyaya.
Okay.
Where is it Pratyaya? Where you have seen? Where you have heard?
I just heard in the previous sections when you were talking.
It
the
letter, not it
it
Pratyaya.
sorry, it letter.
It letter is in the Mahakesha Sutra, all the consonants at the end, they're all it letters.
Okay,
There is no it pratyaya.
sorry.
In a pratyaya, a letter can be it. In a pratyaya, a letter like supratyaya, for example, just now we saw. Saptami, Bhagavachanam. where pakara is it letter.
Yeah.
Where this is pakara is it letter, not
So
it
the last
pratyaya.
letter of a word is called it letter, is it?
No, I didn't say like that. You cannot conclude like that.
Okay.
Yes, in the supratyaya, pakara is it.
Okay.
Not all. Why you are extending to everyone? Everything, no.
Okay.
In the Maheshwara Sutra, the last consonant of each sutra enjoys the sanya it. Here in the supratyaya, the pakara is it. That much you know. So that's enough. Okay. This is an example. I took this 7-3. So for 7-3, this pakara is it. It being it, therefore, should not be considered as part of the pratyaya. Therefore, it is dropped. Therefore, content of the sup is su.
Okay.
Okay. It is, don't conclude the last letter of the last consonant of every shabda is it. No, I never said like that. Don't extend what I said only to up to what I said only.
Okay.
Don't extend this to all the pratyaya. It's not like that. Otherwise, we'll have problem. Okay.
Okay.
Here, this Shattam I need to explain. For that, I took this example, this 7-3, because there only Shattam is happens. So that's why I took this pratyaya. Pratyaya we will not see now. Don't worry about that. This example here, Ramesh. Now you know, because I explained the pratyaya, therefore you know when Shattam will happen. Only that much. Not anything extra on that. Okay. We cannot conclude all the shabdas ending with consonants or no, not like that at all. Okay. Then, based on the genders, the noun bases can be declined. That is pratipadikam, can be declined in for its singular, plural, and dual forms. The declensions are called cases. I don't know in English we call case. I mean, we have cases like that. In other language, Kannada, Tamil, and all we have no. In Tamil we call vetramai urubagal. Those who know Tamil, they know. You know vetramai urubagal.
Yeah.
That's called the cases. In English, case means what do you understand in English? I don't know what case. I have
In
not.
English, we'll just say conjugation because it's not exactly a case.
But the case.
No,
it is,
conjugations are different.
I don't think there are cases there. Only German has cases, I think.
Maybe brought from. I mean, the word is taken from the translation of some big German author, Sanskritam, possible. I don't know. That word Anton is there. The users are these English terms, cases. So let us use the same word case, but we will replace it by a Sanskrit word little later. So we have 7 cases plus 1 locative. Now this is called Pratama, Dvitiya. That's what we saw now. In Rama Shabda, or here itself the pratyaya. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. All these are called cases. So 7 cases plus last one is vocative case.
Here, we refer case to Vibhakti, correct?
Yeah, it's Vibhakti. Here all not Vibhakti. But when you come case endings, these are all can say, don't consider the pratyayas. I'm just talking about the column alone, Pratama, Dvitiya. Otherwise, you have to. You can use this also. They're all pratyayas. Case endings. Case endings are given. The word with the cases are given in the Rama Shabda. Right? So here it is. Okay, this you can take. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. Case endings are the Vibhakti pratyayas. So now these cases are equivalent to the prepositions in English. It's in English what we use like off, on, in, with, like that. So they are equivalent to the prepositions in connection with the noun as in English. Unlike English, we don't have prepositions separately in Sanskritam. In English, we have, even India also. Ramne, Raman ko mara, right? What is Ramne? Ne is a case. that ne tells you that Rama is a karta, the doer, right?
Hmm.
Ram Kumara means Ram, then Ravan Kumara, Ravana is the object. So Ram ne, Ravan ko. Ram is the karta and Ravana is the object, right? But in English, we don't have a problem. Rama killed Ravana. If you swap it, become a problem, right? How do you know that? Yeah, that has been the particular position. That subject has to be in the beginning, very beginning. If you swap it, then the whole Ramayana will change. Of course, there are people in South India, they praise Ravana. Some stupid people are there everywhere, no? Here also many are there. Maybe in proportion, many in Tamil Nadu. So Rama has to be, in English, it has to be the first word. Rama killed, and then object at the end, you see, right? So where is the preposition here? That's why the English is difficult, but Sanskritam is not like that. So, or if you have the preposition like in, at, on, for, between, by, along, on, etc. So all these are, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So see, book is there, table is there. I want to tell the book is on the table. Table is on the book, I cannot tell. So I have to put the book because that is the subject, the book. The table is there. Now what is the table? The book is on the table, right?
Table is an object.
Object.
In English, it's an object. Huh? I don't know. Do you say it's an object? I mean, grammatically, I'm asking.
Yes.
The book is a subject. The book is on the table. Table is an object. Really, I don't know. You have to tell me parts of speech in English. What is the table? Table is also a noun only. Book is also a noun. That's fine. But is on the table. That on should be connected to the table, not to the book. Right? The book is on the table. So the preposition on is connected to the table, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the prepositions are separately given in English, but in Sanskritam it is not like that. I tell you, take this example
Table is
alone.
subject and book will be object, I think.
Sorry?
Table will be subject and book will be object.
Really?
No.
I think so. I
No,
think so.
no.
Because what is on the table? Book is on the table.
Yeah, that the book should be the subject, right? See, the book is on the table is a sentence. You don't, the asking question, you cannot justify the table is a subject. Book is what? My Vivaksha,
Where
I
is
want
the
to
book?
present. I want to present the book as a subject. That is why I'm placing the book in English as the first word of the sentence in English. Book
Sharadi,
is on the table.
If you ask where is the book, then book becomes subject. So
Oh, yeah.
question cannot decide which is the subject, which is the object.
So in the sentence, the book is on the table. So what I want to say is on the preposition is connected to the table, not to the book, right? So if therefore this on the table, now what is the table now? Can we call in English it is a locus, a place in a locus. The book is available. The book is available or the book is seen or placed on the table, right? In Sanskritam, we say it's a locus, locative, locus. You understand? Locus. So, book being the subject, that will be the Pratama Vibhakti, first case. That's called first case. The subject is a first case. And the table is that on which the book is there, right? So it's a locus of the book. The locus is called seventh case. You understand? In Tamil also we say, Puttakam Mejayil Ulladu. Those who know Tamil, Mejayil. What is Mejayil? That is Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case. In India, how do you say? Pustakam, Kitab, Mech Parhan, right? I mean, whatever table. What is the term for table in Hindi? I'm just using Mej in Tamil. Mech Parhan. Makes par is what? Per Saptami, locus. Right? So Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case, stands for locus. Locus of, in the example, it is a subject. Right? It is a subject. So the book is, similarly, we have got many cases. Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi. So corresponding to the prepositions, English prepositions. But only one thing, the difference is, in English, we have prepositions, separately available. But in Sanskritam, it is not like that. It is inbuilt in the noun itself. Book is also a noun. Table is also a noun. So in the table itself, you just add you define, you construct a word, table in Sanskritam, with the meaning of on. Inbuilt meaning is that on. That is called Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case. You follow? Similarly, suppose there is an object. Like you take Rama killed Ravana. Ravana is the object, right? Rama the subject and Ravana the object. Then in English, you cannot distinguish. I mean, in the sense, if you replace it, it's a problem. But Sanskritam, even if you swap the words, the meaning will not change, because Rama as a subject will be Rama forever, and Ravana, the object, will have the inbuilt the meaning. That object meaning will be there. That is achieved by the pratyaya, vibhakti pratyaya, and that is dvitiya vibhakti. When something is an object, then it is referred to by adding the pratyaya corresponding to the second case, whatever the vachanam, dvitiya, that's called second case. Similarly, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, shashti. Okay. In if you see the English books, they would have given nominative case, and dvitiya is accusative. What is accusative? You don't have to accuse anyone, but I will not use the term. Similarly, instrumental case. Therefore, wherever by, with, are there, then you use tritiya, third case. It's not like that. It's not always like that. Some cases it's okay, but there are many places where you cannot say like that. So, like for example, Rama went to the forest, right? Let's take this example. Rama went to the forest. Rama, okay, goes to the forest. Why went? Let us use present tense. Who is the karta? Rama goes to the forest by a chariot, right? Now, who is the karta? We have to find a subject. Subject is
Rama.
Rama.
Rama. Where does he go?
Forest.
Forest.
What is forest in English? I don't know. You have to tell me. You teach
Forest in
I will
English
teach you
is
Sanskrit.
forest.
Huh?
Aranyakam.
No, I'm not asking Sanskrita name. Sanskrita word. What is forest? Subject or object? What is I'm asking?
Object.
Is it object in English? I don't know. You say object, that's why I type object also. But in Sanskritam, it is object. Because you say in English object, therefore I type English object. I don't know. Others can clarify whatever it is. Forest. And how does he go?
Chariot.
What is that?
That is an instrument on which he went.
Okay. Yes, that's an instrument, right? Very good. So that is chariot. So Rama, the subject, goes to the forest by chariot. The three words. And in English we have goes to. To is the preposition is there. And here Rama is a noun. Forest is also a noun. Chariot is also a noun. But we have separate we have prepositions which by which we can understand whether it is an instrument or an object, right? Of course, subject doesn't have any preposition. Subject is prepositionless. Others are prepositions, right? In Sanskritam, what happens? Rama, the subject. Therefore, what case he will use? First case.
Pratama.
Pratama vibhakti. Ramaha. Ramaha is the first case. Subject always will be in Pratama vibhakti. Object will be in second case. right? Object will be second case. So the word for forest, simple word you take vana,
Vanaha.
Vana.
Okay. Vanaha.
not vanaha. It is an apumsakalinga
Vana.
word, therefore vanam.
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 So Ramaha vanam. How does he go? Oh, Kriya Padam is there goes. That also we have. What is goes?
Gachati.
Gachati.
No.
Gachati.
Goes is English. It is so Kriya Padam verb, right?
Verb.
Verb.
Yeah.
Verb.
Verb.
Okay, verb is there. Then instrument, chariot.
Hmm.
The word for chariot in Sanskritam,
Rate. Ratam. Ratam.
Ratha. But it is an instrument.
Ratena.
Ratena.
Now, Rama Shabda, you know, right? By heart. I hope you know. The same way Ratha Shabda you can decline. Ratha is also Pullinga Shabda. Akarantaha, Pullinga
Pullinga.
Shabdaha, Ratha Shabdaha. How do you decline?
Rathena.
How do you decline? Ramena Tritiya. Only one chariot. No, it's not going by two or multiple chariots, right? Only one. So, Yatha Rama become Ramena, Ratha will become?
Rathena.
Rathena.
Dantyana.
Very good. That also I thought of asking you. Yes, very smart, huh? Why it is not, I thought of asking, why it is not Murdhanya Nakara? Because Nakara not at the end of the Padam, preceded by, and Repa is a Nimitta which causes, that's of course important, okay? Within the same Padam, Repa should be there, immediately preceding Apadanta Nakara, even when intervened by the words allowable permitted letters. But here, Takara is not permitted. Therefore, Natvam will not happen. Okay.
Okay.
Ratena only.
So it is Dantanakara then.
Yeah, that's why Danti Nakara.
Okay.
Understand? Otherwise, it would have become Murdhani.
Okay.
Ratena. So, Ramaha Vanam. What is Ratena now in English? You translate. Ratena is equal to?
By a chariot.
By. Where is by? By is inbuilt. In Ratha is a noun, right? Noun based, Pratipadika. Ratena, when you say it is not just a Ratha, it becomes an instrument. Similarly, Vanam, when we say Dvitiya, second case, it becomes the object, not the Karta. Vanam is not the doer, it is the object. And Ramaha, the subject, that is subject. So, Ramaha, Vanam, Ratena. What is the verb?
Gachati.
Gachati.
How?
Goes.
Okay.
Goes.
What tense? Present tense.
Present tense.
And how many people are going?
Ekavachana.
One.
Ekavachana.
Only one goes, right?
Yeah.
When does he go? Now, present tense. And who goes? You or me?
Rama goes.
Rama.
Neither you nor me, somebody other than you and me.
Third
That is
person.
that's called third person.
Uttama Purusha.
No, that is called Prathama Purusha.
Prathama
We
Purusha.
will talk about that.
Prathama
Purusha.
Uttama Purusha. Yeah, Prathama. I am
That
Uttama.
is, yes, the speaker is Uttama.
Okay.
The listener is Madhyama. Neither the speaker nor the listener, other than you and me. That's why I say other than you and me. That is Prathama, therefore Gachati. Right? Now, the sentence is formed. Ramaha,
Vanam Rathena.
Rathena Gachati.
anyway, you swap the letters, you will have same meaning. Ratena Vanam Ramaha Gachati. Gachati Ratena Vanam Ramaha. Ramaha Gachati Ratena Vanam. Ramaha Ratena Vanam Gachati. Or Gachati Vanam Ramaha. Meaning will not change. But can you do the same thing in English? You cannot do it. The subject has to be here. And the object, and then they have to be the position. Of course, should have the corresponding preposition. Then only it gives a meaning, the prepositional meaning. But Sanskritam, it's all inbuilt, right? Therefore, therefore, by a chariot, wherever by is there, by is not equal to instrument, Tritiya. It is, don't equate. But, see, Sanskritam has not come from English, okay? You cannot map every Sanskrit, every English word a preposition to Sanskrita Vibhakti. Not like that. This is a big problem. In the beginning, they study with English books. No, and later when they do translation, they always think of means Shashti Vibhakti, by means Tritiya. It's not like that. In fact, Shashti Vibhakti, for example, in the books you will see Of is Shashti Bhakti, OF, of. But it is not. In some many places we may think of it. Sometimes it is used for also. That also Shashti Bhakti. We cannot conclude by that. We have to understand. We have to understand what it is. See, this is Ramaha is a karta. I use a now English Sanskrit terms. Ramaha is karta. Vana is karma. And Ratena is karanam, the means. That is what in English they translate instrument. Okay. Gachati, goes. So karta, karma, karana, and kriya. Right? Karta will be in pratama. Object karma will be in dvitiya vibhakti. Tritiya, karanam will be tritiya. This three is enough for us. With that we will play. Then after that we will see other cases. But we are not going to see cases now immediately. This is to make you understand. So Ramaha Vanam Ratena Gachati, right? So here we can see. So Gachati is very important. When you do translation, or when you speak also, first the verb should be there in your mind. What verb you are going to use, right? Gachati. Ask question to the Kriya Padam. Who goes? Who goes?
Prathama Purusha.
No, who goes? What is the answer?
Rama goes.
Rama.
Rama goes. He is a karta. Therefore, Rama will be in Prathama Vibhakti.
Rama.
This is this sentence is given. Now you analyze the sentence. Rama goes to the forest by a child. Who goes? Kriya Padam you first have to take. Who goes?
Rama goes.
Rama.
Therefore, Rama is the subject karta. Where does he go?
Forest.
Vanam.
The forest is the karma object. How does he go?
Chariot.
By chariot.
That is the karana, right?
Yes.
Suppose I say Rama, the son of Dasharatha. Son of Dasharatha. Now, son and Dasharatha is what is the word for son?
Putra.
Putra.
Putraha. Putra is Pullinga again. Putra. Putraha. Right? Now, and Dasharatha only. Now, you form a Sanskrit sentence. Ramaha, Vanam, Ratena, Gachati. Right?
Excuse me, Sharanji.
Yes.
Should we say Ramaha goes or Rama goes? I mean,
Who-
Ramaha Gachati or Rama Gachati?
Who's asking this question?
Chitra. Ramaha, I think it should be Ramaha.
Ramaha? Say it again.
Ramaha Ratena Vanam Gachati.
Ramaha only.
Okay.
You're asking, but it should be Rama.
No. I thought it should be Ramaha. Okay.
Which is Ramaha only. Visarga is there. When you say Rama, it becomes Sambodhana. Vocative. Hey Rama. That is not here. Here Rama is a karta, a subject. Therefore Ramaha. Understand? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, in
But,
English we say Rama as the subject, but in Sanskrit we say Ramaha as the subject.
Ramaha. Because first case is Ramaha. Pratama Vibhakti and singular. Ekavachanam. Ramaha.
Understood.
Why this doubt, Chitraji?
No.
Have
I
you seen
thought
it?
you wrote
Have you seen-
Rama goes.
Have you seen anywhere Rama is like this?
No. I don't have any doubts. It was just a misunderstanding, that's all.
No. Why I'm asking is, what you said is correct also.
Okay.
That is because of Sandhi. We have not learned. Don't worry about it. When Sandhi happens, Visarga will drop also. Okay. But we will have Ramaha only. That is Sandhi. When you join the words, something will happen. That time Visarga will drop. But even if Visarga drops, it is Karta only. Okay. It is not Sambodhana. Anyway, I thought you know Sanskritam. That's why you are asking this question, I thought.
No.
Okay. Because I don't know what levels you're all in. Maybe in different levels, some people may know, some,
Only basics.
Swamiji, I'm at 0 level.
Okay. So no problem. Thank God. Okay. Then Ramaha only. Okay. Let us not get why Rama. That question will come. Sandhi, that part we will see later. That is a little difficult task, Sandhi. Lot of things have to be learned. We will do it. But since you asked Rama, then I thought, okay, you must be knowing Sandhi. Yeah. But Ramaha will, with the Visarga will, right? Ramaha subject. Okay, Gachati. Now, who is Rama now? In the modified sentence.
Son of Dasharatha.
Son of Dasharatha. So Rama is Putraha, right? Putraha. Whose son?
Dasharathasya.
Dasharathasya putraha.
What vibhakti we are using? Like
Sixth.
Rama, sixth again. Ramasya, Shashti vibhakti.
Shashti
Similarly,
Vibhakti.
Dasharathasya. Okay. Right? So Dasharathasya. Now, see, who goes? Rama goes. Rama Karta. Where does he go? Forest. That is karma.
Karma.
How does he go? By a chariot. Karna. Now, in what way Dasharatha, connected?
Son.
Is he connected to the Kriya directly?
No.
No.
Dasharatha and going has got no connection.
Karta.
Dasharatha is
Karta.
connected to Rama only. Rama is the son. Rama, the son of the Dasharatha. Now you see of, OF. Generally, this English preposition of, it is used to where there is sambandha, there is connection. That's what of is. This is what in English books you will see. This is where our officer, you just put it Shashti Bhakti. That is not true also. Right? To begin with, it's okay, but not always true. So, Dasharathasya putraha. Now, what is a Pratipadikam? Dasharatha is a Pratipadikam. Dasharatha, the Pratipadikam, it's not connected to the Kriya. It's connected to Putraha.
Rama.
Connected to Putra, and Putra is adjective to Rama. So, Dasharathasya putra. Therefore, Dasharathasya, since it is Sambandha, therefore Shashti Bhakti always we call Sambandha Shashti. It is Sambandha Shashti means the word can be the word which is in Shashti Bhakti is connected to the words in the sentence. So Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha. Similarly, here Vanam is there, for example. Like we can say Gugasya Vanam. It goes to the forest of Guha. Forest belongs to whom? Guha. So Shashti Bhakti can be had. And Ratha, suppose Ratha belongs to someone else. Who's Ratha? Some just imagination. Okay, I'm just my imagination. I'm being Mahabharata also. Sanjayasya Ratha. Huh? He goes by the chariot of Sanjaya. Possible, right? Sanjayasya Rathena Gachati. So Shashti Bhakti now this can come. All these are sambandha. Whereas karta will ever be a karta, karma will be a karma, ratha will be, that is instrument will be instrument. But they are sambandha. To the word, now when we swap, I told you, we can swap anyway, the meaning will not change. But it is not true with regard to Shashti. If you swap the Shashti, then meaning will change. Sanjayasya putraha Ramaha, Dasharathasya vanam, it will be awkward, right? So when you swap, the interchange the words, do along with the Shashti Bhakti. Okay, Dasharathasya putra Ramaha, that is one part. Who's Vana? Gugasya Vanam, second one. So Gugasya Vanam, Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha, Sanjayasya Rathena Gachati, that is fine. Anyway, you can do it, right? I think this much is enough today. So what this is what cases is. First case, second case, third case, fourth case, fifth case, sixth case, seventh case. Those each cases we will be seeing elaborately later. Now we need to be familiar with the first case alone, not other cases. So that's what I have written here. Please see the prepositions. Each case has a name and it will be introduced gradually. So we are going to see the first case of the Shabda. So don't worry, other cases, though I have taken the example, but we are not going to see all those cases now. We are just going to deal with only the first case. First case means the karta, the subject, right? Now you understand the connection between the prepositions in English and the cases? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But
sir.
don't translate with the prepositions in English into corresponding Sanskrit case. No connection. If you do like that, we'll end up in wrong translation. Okay. So always ask question to the verb. Who, what, how. You get the answer, and accordingly we will affix the cases. So for now, only first case. For example, the English form of the Rama, the subject Rama, subject is Rama, it is in Prathama Vibhakti. By Rama, though I have written by Rama, so Ramena, for Rama, Ramaya, and Rame in Rama, of Rama, Ramasya, all these forms are not exact literal translations of the prepositions. This is important. It is given only for your understanding. There is more to it, which will be discussed later elaborately. We have a separate section. It's called Karakam. Okay. Just we'll take the support of the English preposition, but will not map exactly to the Vibhakti. Okay. We will not do that. Yes. So we should know what do's as well as don'ts. Because first we could pick up that which should not be done. Then later we correct it. In fact, I did like that. Because nobody taught me Sanskritam in the beginning. I myself was trying to learn. Then I had to correct it. Okay. I think we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. So take home is I taught only Shattam today and introduction to cases. I hope all of you follow cases, right?
Yes,
Very
Parunji.
Thank you.
Yes, Paranji.
Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Sir.
Yeah,
Hare Om.
Paranji.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాద సర్.